All right, here I am in the boat. So last time I did these inspection ports on the water tanks, widening them, and I kind of cleaned them out as best I could. It's not so easy to get in. The shape of them like kind of dips down underneath the settee there. But then I plumbed in all this other stuff and a new water pump because my old one was cross-threaded. And I thought, what the hell? Might as well just spend another couple $100 on a boat. It's almost nothing. Here's a strainer. That's what the manufacturer recommended. So, and then I put it under here in this, under the settee, because someone had already cut this out previously. So it's good storage, but I wanted to make sure it stayed open. Plus, I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna put my water maker. It might go in here too. And then just to mount it, I went ahead and mounted it with bolts, the pump. So I cut a hole here, which I'll probably just put a cover on, because I might even make like little shelves out of that. That'd be kind of cool, just for more storage, because storage is pretty limited on this boat. Previous owners have cut accesses for other things. There's storage under the nav table. But yeah, so this one seems to be holding pretty good. I got it about as full as it can be, and I don't see any leaking around the port. I did have one clamp that I didn't tighten. But I had a water heater when I got this boat, and I threw it away because I have a small tankless one that I might use when I'm on shore power, but otherwise, like, I just don't really care if I take a cold shower. And this one's filling up good. I was listing pretty good for a second though with just the one tank. I did connect them. I have valves for each one here, and then there's a valve there, and then I had to put another one on this hot water line because I had updated my sink. It was like a crappy little faucet, but now it has the sprayer on there, and it extends, so it's a little easier to clean out the sink. Zip tied those on there, and yeah, I mean, that's about it. One to the shower. So basically it's just cold supply right now. If I do hot, I probably won't even bother to do hot water on the sink. I'll just do it at the shower. And then it's like, I mean, it's a little device. It's about this big. It's 30 amps, but it's 110. And I can just put it in right next to the shower spigot, probably on that bulkhead, and then just run a tee off of that and then back onto the hot supply there. That's about it, man. Well, it's working. I have a little leak at this inspection port. I'm not sure if it's at the seal or underneath, but I'll add some more butyl tape. Pump's working, strainer's working, faucet working. What?